What could be the result of applying a coat of dope when the temperature of the dope room is too high? Pinholes in the dope film. What areas must be protected from damage when using paint remover stripper? Synthetic rubber products, composites, fabric, acrylics, and bonded surfaces must be protected. What is bonded honeycomb construction? It is a laminar constructed combination of alternating dissimilar materials, two metal facings bonded on each side of a core. What materials are used in special applications of bonded honeycomb construction? Stainless steel, titanium, magnesium, plywood, glass, nylon, and cotton cloth. What may cause delamination of honeycomb construction? Sonic vibration, liquid leakage, internal condensation, and manufacturer's mistake. What are sources of pneumatic power? Storage bottles, vane-type pumps, and turbine engine compressors. What method is used by some turbine-powered aircraft for pressurization? Bleed air from the turbine engine compressor. On reciprocating engine aircraft, what are some methods of supplying heat to the cabin? Gasoline combustion heater, electric heater, and exhaust gas air-to-air heat exchanger. What are sources of ventilating air in a combustion heater? A blower, ram air, or cabin compressor. What components are used in an air cycle cooling system? An expansion turbine, air-to-air heat exchanger, and various valves. What components are in a vapor cycle cooling system? An evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. What indication errors may be found in altimeters? Scale, hysteresis, and installation. What flight instruments are usually connected to a pitot-static system? Rate of climb, airspeed, and altimeter. What methods are used to drive turn and bank indicators? Vacuum, air pressure, or electricity. What are the components of a typical airborne VOR system? A receiver, visual indicator, frequency selector, antennas, and power supply. What is an electrically operated fuel tank shutoff valve in transit light? A light that indicates when the valve is in motion. What is a pressure fueling system sometimes referred to? An underwing or single point pressure fueling. When should a switch be derated from its nominal rating? When used with high rush-in circuits, inductive circuits, and direct current motors. When do electric motors draw several times their rated current? When starting. What three faults are associated with electrical system malfunctions? Open circuits, shorted circuits, and low power. What causes an AC electric motor to run slow? No lubrication, applied voltage is low, or defective wiring. What could cause an AC electric motor to run fast? Excessive supply power or motor field windings shorted. What is the purpose of a Mach warning system? It provides an oral warning that aircraft speed limits may have been exceeded. What condition will cause a wing leading edge anti-ice overheat light to illuminate? Failure of a thermal switch to cause closure of the anti-ice shutoff valve. What are two methods of inflating pneumatic de-icer boots? An engine-driven vacuum pump and bleed air from a turbine engine compressor. What methods are used to supply heat for thermal anti-icing systems? Turbine compressor hot air, engine exhaust heat exchangers, and ram air heated by a combustion heater. What prevents overheating of the wing leading edge skin in a thermal anti-ice system that is operated by engine bleed air? A temperature sensor will cause a valve to close and shut off the flow of hot air. What does a thermal switch fire detection system consist of? Heat-sensitive units that complete electrical circuits at certain temperatures. How are fin wall spot detectors wired? Parallel between two complete loops of wiring. What does a continuous loop detection system consist of? One or more wires embedded in a special ceramic core that changes its resistance with a change in temperature.